Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that has caught our attention, the DJI Air 3S, a remarkable 4K dual-camera drone that is sure to elevate your aerial photography game. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what is the DJI Air 3S? This drone is designed for both hobbyists and professionals alike, featuring a powerful 1-inch CMOS primary camera that captures stunning images and videos in breathtaking detail. It's perfect for anyone who loves to document their travels or capture cinematic landscapes. With this drone, you're not just flying, you're creating art. Let's talk about some of its standout features. The Air 3S boasts an impressive capability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second, paired with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. This means you'll be able to capture intricate details, whether it's the soft textures of clouds at sunset or the vibrant colors of a bustling cityscape. This enhanced camera makes it ideal for low-light scenarios, giving you the ability to shoot stunning shots during dusk or dawn. Additionally, the drone comes equipped with a free panorama mode, allowing you to stitch together images seamlessly. This feature is invaluable for creating wide-angle panoramic shots that offer a broader perspective. If you prefer more detail with less distortion, the medium tele-panoramic option is perfect for those intricate shots that demand precision. Safety is a top priority with the Air 3S. The forward-facing LiDAR system, along with additional sensors, provides omnidirectional obstacle sensing, allowing you to fly confidently even in complex environments. Whether you're navigating through a forest or around urban buildings, this drone helps you avoid obstacles and fly safely, especially during nighttime excursions. Another impressive feature is the next-gen smart return-to-home function. With upgraded algorithms, the Air 3S can intelligently determine the optimal route back to its home point, even when GPS signals are weak. This means less worry about losing your drone and more focus on capturing that perfect shot. One of the most appealing aspects of the DJI Air 3S is its extended flight time. It offers a maximum flight duration of 45 minutes and a video transmission range of up to 20 kilometers. This gives you ample time to explore, scout for the best locations, and capture all the footage you need without the constant concern of battery life. So, who is the DJI Air 3S suitable for? This drone is perfect for travel enthusiasts, content creators, and anyone looking to enhance their aerial photography skills. Whether you're a vlogger seeking to produce high-quality videos, a nature lover wanting to document breathtaking landscapes, or even a real estate agent looking to capture stunning property shots, the Air 3S has something to offer. In practical use cases, you can imagine taking it on a hiking trip, capturing the beauty of a mountain range at sunrise, or using it to film a wedding from unique angles. It's also great for commercial projects where high-quality imagery is essential, such as in promotional videos for businesses or tourism. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3S is an exceptional drone that combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. With its impressive camera capabilities, safety features, and extended flight time, it's sure to meet your aerial photography needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget